I love what Cindy T did for us this morning. It really helped me to calm down and feel grounded and connect to any sensation of my body, mindfulness. And that's a very powerful way to disconnect from the stress, disconnect from the part of our brain that is engaged in reasoning and triggering and all the negative emotions. When we do mindfulness practice, we're actually activating the right side of our brain, which is associated with positive emotions. So, the beauty of our anatomy and how are we created is that it's impossible to activate both sides of your brain at the same time. And because of that, you can become an efficient administrator of your stress and activate the brain that you need in a specific moment.